Hi there, thank you for visiting our website. My name is Sebas, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to book an end of tenancy cleaning services on our website. On all our websites, whether you're on Hello Cleaners or Hello Services, you should be able to book one of our services instantly and get the price instantly and be able to book as well. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to book end of tenancy cleaning services. So obviously if you're viewing it on a mobile device, the layout will be a little bit different, but it's the same structure. So for cleaning services, it's likely that you are going to be viewing it on Hello Cleaners. So what you're going to do to book online, you're going to check here, click check prices and book online. In here you're going to search for the type of cleaning services you need. So in this occasion you're going to do end of tenancy cleaning, and then you're going to type in your postcode. I'm going to do our office postcode, and then that will tell the system whether we provide a service or end of tenancy cleaning service in that area. As we have mentioned, we are nationwide and we cover pretty much everywhere in the UK, about 90% of the UK urban area. So you click on the type of service, the type of property you have. Say if you have a house, choose the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, WC, shower room, and then go to next. Here it will ask you if you have additional areas, so balcony, study room, and so on, all the way to office room, additional lounge, and so on. And appliances, this is going to ask you whether you have appliances typically, such as oven, washing machine. So if you say yes, then it will ask you the size, the numbers and the type of appliances. If you say no, then you can just go to the next one. But let's say you have oven and fridge. Now about carpets, with all type of cleaning services we provide, we have carpets vacuumed. But if you want them professionally cleaned, that's when professional carpet cleaning service involved, using a professional carpet cleaning machine that will do professional service for the carpet. So as I said, if you don't need the carpets professionally cleaned, we will still hoover them. But if you need them professionally cleaned, you just tell us the number of areas in that are carpeted and you need them cleaning. So areas that could be living room, bedroom, the landing, even staircases. You click on next. Now windows, all windows for all the services we provide, interior windows are included. But if you want exterior windows, you can add the number of exterior windows. And remember, that could only include windows that we can reach from the outside or from the inside without using a ladder, basically. Now, if you want to have upholstery cleaning added to your service, so you can choose, and then it will tell you about the quantity. If you want furniture to be hoovered, would you like furniture hoovering and wiping? You can choose, and then that will be basically wiping down the type of furniture that you need, so such as sofas or mattresses. Now, keys collection or keys location, we need to know where the keys are, because sometimes keys could be at different locations. If they are at the property, that's fine. If not, you will have to provide the location of where the keys are, and it will cost you a little extra, I think about 10 to 15 pounds. Now the last question I think here is about the location or the level floor of the property. So whether you just need to let us know which floor is the property located in, and whether there's lift or not. So let's say second floor, with obviously you don't need to provide floor, or I am going to let me just basically with your account you should be able to obviously before you get a price you are required to log in. This is how the system works. So I need to log into the system in order for me to be able to get the price. Let me log in. There you go. So I am going to get a price. Sorry guys, I think I should have prepared this better for the login. Now there you go. The system is going to now pull up prices. See, I've been able to get a price for £405.50, and you can look at the service details here, what it entails, and also if you have a promotion code, you can apply it here. Just type in the code. If you're using your mobile, you should be able to apply that as well. You click on next, and then provide a full address. If you have any comments, proceed to the checkout, and then you should be able to pay and book. Now once it's paid and booked, you will have your account created here. Actually, before you even book it, you will have an account. This is an account where you can manage your account basically, and an email will have been emailed to you as well with password, and yep. You can also download our app somewhere here and use the same username and password to get to log into your account. So this is the procedure on how to book an end of tenancy cleaning. And remember, end of tenancy cleaning comes with 3 days guarantee. A reclean a reclean will be carried out if it does not pass the inventory checkout, subject to terms and conditions that are provided on our booking confirmation. So it's really important for you to read the terms and conditions and understand them when booking. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment in our YouTube channel.